my god.
Does it still beat?
What did you?
Probably.
This. We got a broken arm, and then
We got a broken GoPro.
we got a very broken GoPro. All right, and then look at your standoffs. Tilt that up so you can see in there. Oh my god,
What diet?
they're completely bent. What did you do?
The top part right there. I couldn't dive. The wind pushed me up.
Oh god. Well, at least you still got another quad. These are the shenanigans we get up to. Jesus. No video over here at all. I don't know yet. Hang on. Let me unplug and whatnot.
Wow, there goes his.
Wait, he went down too? Everybody's getting fucked by this spot.